In this video, we will see how ice pops are made inside the factory. First, measured amounts of sugar and mango syrup is mixed in a big industrial mixture. Thereafter, the mixture is filtered in a large container. After filtration, the mixture is filled in small printed plastic bags and sealed by automatic machines. Here, the packets are filled in basket and sent for further packaging. Now, the multiple ice pops are packed in a plastic bag and sealed. Finally, ice pops packets are placed in a large box or sack and packed for safe transportation.